Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we will discuss the importance of the fibular head and its anatomy. The fibular head is a crucial anchor for the several supportive structures of the posterolateral corner. It is an attachment point for this region's key ligaments and tendons. Certain osseous injuries can provide diagnostic clues indicating an underlying posterolateral corner injury. For example, the location and size of a fibular head avulsion fracture can help us predict the underlying soft tissue structure that is attached and potentially injured. Let's go over the specific attachments. The biceps femoris tendon and lateral collateral ligament are attached at the lateral margin of the fibular head and neck. The lateral collateral ligament, marked in aqua, is inserted on the lateral aspect of the fibular head. The long head of the biceps femoris, the red-marked anterior arm and purple-marked direct arm insert onto the lateral aspect of the fibular head and neck. The anterior one is aptly named the anterior arm, and the posterior one is the direct arm. The long head is what we typically think of as the distal biceps tendon. Next, let's look at the short head of the biceps femoris. The green-marked direct arm of the short head inserts onto the anteromedial aspect of the fibular head, while the blue-marked anterior arm does not attach to the fibular head. Instead, it passes medially to the lateral collateral ligament to attach to the superolateral edge of the lateral tibial condyle. Moving more proximally and medially, the arcuate and fibular ligaments are attached at the posterior apex of the fibular head. The fibular ligament is marked in pink, and the arcuate ligament is marked in orange. The fibular ligament passes posterior to the orange arcuate ligament and lateral to the yellow popliteofibular ligament. Its attachment is posterior and medial, relative to the insertion of the lateral collateral ligament. Finally, the popliteofibular ligament is attached most medially at the posterior apex of the fibular head. The popliteofibular ligament is marked in yellow. The popliteofibular ligament extends from the popliteus tendon near the myotendinous junction to the posteromedial aspect of the fibular styloid process, posteromedial to the biceps insertion. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.